Ooh, look at that. Sun coming out. Here we are. Early morning. Well, not that early. We're running late, as always. Mickey catching bait. Redfish. No. Yeah. Looks like a good spot to fish too.
Holy cow, look at one in the back. What about the two sides?
We just don't have a film editor.
Yeah.
Ain't no catfish.
Jack! It's a big boy. Where's the net? Where's the net? Oh yeah.
Man. I gotta turn him. I gotta turn him.
You got a turtle?
I gotta turn him.
First catch of the day. Let's
jig.
go, boy.
Goofy jig.
Goofy jig. Oh, Pomino. He bounced to the bottom.
I thought like a stingray.
No way. Yep. Probably jacker. Come on, boy. Don't lose it. Take it easy. Oh, oh.
What is that?
Oh.
Shark?
A shark? Shark.
Boy, you like a jiffy jig, huh? Right there low with a jiffy jig.
Oh, that's nice. First shark of the day. Who want to eat shark tonight? Bonnet hits. Oh, that's a good size. That's a full. That's a mature size. Woo! Wow, that's a good size.
Let's get a picture of that, Mickey.
Can you get him out?
Ongoing commitment to workers, offering best-in-class benefits, including a minimum wage of $25
Oh, the big cat.
It's a small guy.
Big cat. There's a big cat.
business is a better business.
Oh, oh, he got another one.
Live bait.
Hope it's not catfish city.
Oh, catfish. Oh, doesn't jump much. Maybe it's a trout.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, bunch of mullet.
It's a trout.
Catfish. Catfish again. Nice home. Catfish.
Oh, yeah. Oh, another catfish.
Nope.
Catfish. Mr. Deep got another catfish. He's a catfish king today.
He's catching.
Got a widen. Let it go.
That's fighting. Hey, no, you mean?
Bite! Bite! Come on, nothing bite. Why didn't you bite, huh?
One way.
Oh, big fish. Little trout and a couple more fish right there. Got meat on it. Got a stingray.
It's down almost to his anus now. He swallowed it that long. He digested the hook and everything.
Turn around, let me see the other side. Oh, smile, smile, smile.
Tell me your story.
Subject to cancellation. Performance available exclusively online and in web rights stores. Requires a compatible.
All right, time to get in the water.
Additional details. Taxes and fees may apply.
Woo!
You don't walk.
What a wave.
Watch out for that shark.
There's the boys up there. I'm wading along the shoreline. Do some fishing here. That's what I use for bait right here. A little bit windy today. On my left, Mickey. On my right, I don't know who that guy is. Honestly, he think he can fish.
How big my bait is.
Yep. It's life right here.
I would imagine manual.
Get on, maybe we get shadow.
Oh, hit bottom.
They might have to do big tail bird.
I'm gonna go spear fishing.
This is Aquaman.
4.
Recording Aquaman jumping off. Show your Titan. Hey, flatten. DC Aquaman.
That's right. Go spear fishing for stingrays, flounder, whatever. I'm gonna make a stingray tacos tonight, fish tacos. Oh, stingray.
Get the bow out and shoot him. You think you're gonna get him that far away?
Ah! He's over here.
Good side?
Dang, he's gone. He was right here. I'm surrounded by beautiful water, beautiful Tampa Bay. Look at this. I love Florida. That's why I live in Florida. Don't care for the snow. I can deal with the heat. Anytime, any day. Got some horseshoe crab here. Woo! Look! Horseshoe crab! This is like some creature from other planet. Huh? Look at this, something like some creature from another planet, huh? This is called a horseshoe crab.
Actually, I think they're doing research.
Whoop.
Is that the clearing you're talking about?
Look like there's a stingray hole. Stingray hole right here. What kind of bait? Mud minnows? Oh my God, it's still on your ass. Stay away from me. I know I can see from here. Holy smoke. Woo! None. Oh yeah, that's a good size.
Just one?
One little mullet. Got a blue crabs too. Look at this. Good size mud minnows. Right there! Woohoo!
Go.
Oh yeah, I see some in there. I see some swimming there. Small, they got out.
There's nothing in there.
All needle nose?
All needle nose. Oh, bunch of these needle nose fish. Nice cast.
Maybe go up a little bit. Come on that way.
Oh, Deep got a fish on. Look at that, lucky fool. What kind of fish? It's not jumping. Oh man. Deep got a fish.
Talking about crappie. Get the net.
It's a catfish. Get the net. It's a catfish.
Hey, still fish on.
Oh, first catch of the day.
Oh, that just wasted film.
Hey, buddy. Let's see if you know how to shoot. Good size right there. That's a good size spadefish. See him? Oh, there. Oh, you got him. No, Dan, you had him.
Water didn't go down.
Yeah, you had him too. Shit. Oh, you missed by the mile.
I was afraid to hit the thing though. That's why I'm afraid to hit the. Oh, don't hit. Oh, that's a shit, man.
Right here. Hey, hey, right there. Right there. He facing you. Oh, but he had his back turned. He was right out of his pole. Why were you too busy doing that?
Will you stay still, Boomy?
15. Keeper! I saw you hook on him. See, you got him. Oh, that's a big one. That's a good size. You had that guy. That was taking you like, yeah. Yeah, bring him up. See, that's guy right there. No, you missed. You had, oh man. Let me see. Got a spadefish. Mickey. Let me see. Need a plier?